Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Amazon Flex password. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to change or update your Amazon Flex password, well, this one is quite easy. What do you need to do? Well, first things first is you need to access your Amazon Flex account. So go ahead and open up the Amazon Flex app in here, and you want to go ahead and just log in into your account. Like, you go and click on sign in with Amazon here, and basically provide the necessary details. But just in case, if you don't want to log in into your account, you can also try using the forgot password option. So you just need to press and click on it, and it will redirect you to a secure page, which in this case, you just need to provide your mobile or your email address that is connected to your Amazon account. Now remember, your Amazon Flex account is connected to your Amazon account. So by doing so, you may be also updating your Amazon account's password. So yeah, so in this case, go and just click on continue here once you provide the information, and from then on, you should be able to enter a new password. Now, obviously, they would require you further information, like for example, they may require you to enter an OTP in order for you to update your password, so go and just provide that. Now, if you don't want to do the reset, or if you don't want to change your password via the login page or via the forgot password page, and you already have access inside your account here, well, there's another way for you to change your password. Now, by the way, this is directly from Amazon's or Amazon Flex support page. So typically, you just need to click on or tap on your account, and you want to go and just choose the login and security option. Now from then on, just choose password and just click on the edit, and you just need to enter your current password and the new password that you want to use. Now you may want to also enter the confirmation of your new password just to be on the safe side. But yeah, go and click on save changes, and pretty much you're good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.